After say arrest Kwame Bafo Abronya Ghana for Obibia Edina no atumu the second time I de Kwame Bafo Abronya ebe sanso akwaku piemu court nyambo china Friday nyambo china the second time I de Kwame Bafo Abronya ebe sanso akwaku piemu court na se say the amanfo bi kan say kame akoye say his excellency John Dramani Mahama bai anase NDC amanyoku bai de wonye NDC ni a woni hu kwan say okasa ewo man ni mu bio because amanfo mienu baako ye NDC ni baako ye NPP ni NDC ni timi ka asem a worse than the NPP ni beka na so ebe wi ase no na NDC ni no na mo firi a amanfo kire say even security agencies ahodo ewo man ni mu nyina no omunyina eye adwuma de ama NDC amanyuku no omo the others from above eye adwuma na emum enye de wadi bone anase bibisa na wakachachie afrifa ababonten ababe kasa afa sansem wehu a o kire se ekwaye nam so ema cabinet Kobedu Taylor eba oman mu wa bra na arrest warrant eda no so pass through immigration obi arrest warrant eda no so pass through immigration ema even security agencies ahodo a the taxpayers money eti omaka omo na airborne ho ban wa bra court Ghana court the arrest warrant ato no so enioma ahodo a court so from sofo azoka ensama okokan ya o kan ni pain say sitting MPB ekopie mu ho a anka ne yebehodi by elections was sitting MP no the constituency literally mean say ene ankaniti ebeko anase bibisa omo se saa nyoma we nyina akoso ama sofo azoka ene na ho free sanso ena Kevin Kobedu Taylor ye arrest warrant eto no so no ono nso ene na ho free nanso NPP amanyuku TikTokers ene ade bloggers ahodo a omo kansem ema NPP amanyuku no ye hwede ne ababe so awa enya asenketua ensem de okatachi afrifa abrobisu ye pa jabusia ayaka TV su ne emborem de nkotie ensem ahodo a okan
see what immigration service see what police your national security na warrant that will be so no timi wurem eba ema state no abo ne ho ban na state ne bo ne ho ban wi a na state na sa de na court no na issue warrant no court no se na ni ehu na so ante na court no se wa ba begina na nim wa bra court na order say warrant da so etikọ na later you make any determination waba ojina court ho em yes overturn warrant you can say contempt of court you will be a friend CI 47 that is a civil procedure act CI 47 civil procedure near there say o court you the procedure to home and emranaka says ye mra enya procedure say any say faso see a fast pepepe no kwa see a chiano na the entire one chance shall be Superior Court of Record and say the Superior Court need the assembly we na o make decision your friend stare decisis which is precedent now precedent no and no be make sure say other lower court no so mo make decision bia na they won't depart from the Superior Court rule na Supreme Court there the decisions are binding on omwankasa etiade Supreme Court why until such a time that Supreme Court no can depart from the decision no my and emrane momo kwan emomo set decision omutimi depart it is just cheba for use order 50 rule 2 and was say be the case what's akwa we bolabadi what na ho ake kansem I go meme hu fi eku court no fi na Supreme Court High Court no constitution na man to me to commit unto themselves contempt sanso na order 50 rule 2 no and so momo kwan when it comes to contempt the constitution gives the power to the High Court power to the Superior Court judges so mo abeye judges in their own court. It tells you how contempt of court is prohibited by the constitution. If it's a constitution, in person book court to know and in here, several constitutional democracies. That's what we have.
Exactly.
It is here my whole coin. That Supreme Court ruling in Jinadia. The Omo Pachira say police in the class will be the bonia. Yes, all court no, and the court cannot even issue warrant first. Name of court no, yes, what I say. But I bet you the entire who this abone no. Na chire mu wi a ansa na yebetimi issue no what be that Supreme Court. Hey, where the more rem. If the entire issue warrant no, is that you see police for national security, immigration. So much say ni paya. Mo fani mra manim. Na on make sure the entire anyone see a committee to jail. Contempt cases under John Dramani Mama. Time a year election petition. Ano mo ye na isami oku. Oma ko kan bibi. Omko duru ono. Supreme Court no hwe o man om se wo yama won e ko. Ensu kenete je kwanchi ko duru ono. Ya de ne to jail. Sansu na atubiga. Ono so ye de to jail. Ana ayi muntie telefu. Omo so ye do mko jail. So Supreme Court is a contempt is in such a way that the courts will decide what punishment to give you. Your friend be jurisprudence. You can't jurisprudence, and that means emrano. Because in you see every day, no, we must develop the law. The law must grow, and the law only grows when you challenge the law. So sakwa ya dwene ya adwuma pa, and also all fighting for the people. He should rather have gone to court for us to have a conversation on the whole contempt and the absoluteness of the powers that is given to the court, for them to now arrogate unto themselves. So now you more hunting. Edi akwose dey yenyi warrant ni free so. The national security kofa Bolabedi a wodi ni free abesina ko court one. There was an active warrant on him. So at no point should he have been protected. Rather he should have been arrested, put before the court, which is Justice Cheba Force Court. Then once the court is ongoing, they will say that we filed an application at the Supreme Court, for which reason the court must stay. So per the Constitution, whenever High Court is hearing any matter, Nasa Obiko Supreme Court for interpretation, the High Court judge is supposed to stay proceedings and wait for a determination to be made at the Supreme Court. Case in the contempt same case na NC board chair then Eugene Bafuboni. Na the Republic versus Eugene Bafuboni and 4 others. And I don't remember Macafone Casse. Bafuboni dear. I say any you know no more course any Chief Justice, you know, acting Chief Justice what they say Bafuboni. Nam so when a year Jabamunja sim, no say because the change in a honey and castle. A Tomoyano, Mammy Kill, what the Casa name. Tomoyano. No me so Eugene Bafuboni no. Ni senior brother and the acting Chief Justice. Justice Bafuboni and the Enokre, the senior brother. It's Justice Cheba for and I did Eugene Bafuboni in the court 2, a court 2. Now, yet this case, you know, a Republic versus Eugene Bafuboni and 4 others, and a Marbola bed in Kokandi or Kayan, and the chain for contempt. Nene no more no muswanye and no quentin no more share that yes ma ye Chief Justice talk on free na Eugene Bafuboni senior brother chief we don't no market phone call mu na say intesa case no aba no mu see enkoso
Akokore na bakuru
kokore dia na ba
na bakuru
no mo say ayeda yi mami educate you omwe say na anu betena ha na monka no krenti monfa mebo mame say mo de mebo mame a me kan sansa deli die na ye no kre ana ye pamon where you so full computer ne one typewriter was so ye doctor so ye doctor me be kan wa ha he say doctor no ye free din nyasa ani ye na omoko fa ambulance die bai eno so me kan ye no ye ko hwem no kre ye yapam no me buy me say kokoridie Bolabedi o kroma last week am bekai etimuntimi ngase ne kadachie ne fela na ekura no ay authentic it's a Bolabedi no wramu bia me hunu na ne yebehwe de state in waye say wo immigration service say wo police your national security na warrant da obi so na otimi wram eba Emma state no abɔ ne ho ban. Na state no bɔ ne ho ban wi a. Na state na sa de na kɔ court no na issue warrant no. Court no se na ni ehu. Na so ante. Na court no se wa ba begina nanim. Wa bra court na order say warrant da so. Eti kɔ na later you make any determination waba ugina court ho em yesa overturn warrant na fe ye musa. First of all ye ka say obi aye contempt of court kura ye de ba de de ba ni nyina no asem no aye ka ni nyago bi ye ka contempt of court one and ye be hwe what is contempt of court. Sana no me be kire mo se me kire mo petition no odi akono grounds or the call ye nyina or say a justice Chebafo who is a court of appeal judge at that time sitting for extra responsibilities as a high court judge. It will be a court of appeal judge na case be cause for high court it me man ba betna so but at that time what to so on to so as a court of appeal judge but to so as a high court judge it at that time now justice Chebafo a court of appeal judge by a number ebedi case na case no obedi no ye be hwe manfo no asem why exactly you know you can say contempt of court ye will be a friend CI 47 that is a civil procedure act CI 47 civil procedure ni dey ya say o court ye the procedure to home and emrana ka say ye mra enya hye procedure say ni say na say faso a say faso pepepe ni kwa say chia no. Now, then he zoom in. Now you ready a year order 50 of a year civil procedure act. That is CI 47. Our court no so wodi asemwa. Sanyo man no faso. Now you can order 50 rule 1. Chenio. Baby a justice Chebafo fan the contempt in free year. And the Supreme Court is omunti bi da. Now, offer a year order 50 rule 1 of a year committed for contempt. You can contempt her. What book court name tia? Near Frewo. Now, I see the power of the court to punish for contempt. Genio of the court may be exercised by an order of committal. 2. Committal proceedings shall be commenced by an application to the court. 3. The application shall be supported by an affidavit stating inter alia. You can inter alia. Just say among other things. Say o kasem na di be ka ho. And then also it shall state inter alia. And a Latin word for among other things. Inter alia the grounds of the application. Now 4, subject to sub rule 5. Sub rule 5 you be kwa read it. Say you can mrada subject to bibia. That means yen konkohwe baby o subject to no. Say e wo mu si atwero we de. Nanso yen san kan we o subject to sub rule 5. The notice of motion together with a copy of the affidavit in support of the application shall be served personally on the person sought to be committed. Now, lastly, that is sub rule 5. Also, without prejudice to its power, under order 7, rule 6 of the court may dispense with service of notice or motion if it thinks it is just to do so. The Ayaka Brofontintin Yanane say, okay, order 50, rule 1 of a civil procedure, that is CI 47, or say, court ama orders be, say, Abia Kofi Mako court, General de Mako court, and a court when I make you orders, said yes, a medium fee, now put in the court, say what you defamation, now court in the rule is 1.5 million. Ebesi samijan fintua 1 cedi kura eti na poverty mi akokot enso so do bi kokot akopet 10 million o mu de wo ya award against you kwa huntua afi na poverty mi akokot it's a court ndo make order wono wonhwe bibia nemo no se nipa na mu order na court na ye na poverty mi akokot akoka kire court ne se wo order na wo ma samijan fi se ontua me 5 million ontua mu 1 cedi kura nemo make sa order na application no supporting with affidavit ne de kekeka wo that is one way a court no be ka se enam say wo ye make order when this untino bra for contempt precisely ti nipa no apply There are also instances, by definition, a person commits contempt and may be committed to prison for willfully disobeying an order of the court, requiring him to do any act other than the payment of money or to abstain from some act. It will a definition of the court. A contempt. It medical chira kwine ba ko a faswa. It make us a court number order. Na wo bunenimtia. It may make application to the court. Say court name fro. Nebe chirem de ntia wo bunenimtia. But before that, you know, then if I make article 1262, Nyanko Radie. Fire. If you have a contempt of court, superior courts, omo pen na wotu me so omo ye contempt of court. Na yaka superior court na court ni achemu mienu. First na komo superior and inferior court. Na yanka inferior court biu. We say the lower court. So superior courts in the day, the high court, court of appeal, and supreme court. Now the lower court, circuit court, district court in the day. Now Yankai article 126 or say the superior court, which is high court, court of appeal, supreme court, shall be superior court of record. Now the entire one says shall be superior court of record. And it said, so superior court need the assembly now or make a decision. Your friend is stare decisis, which is precedent. Now precedent, you know, and no be making sure say other lower court, you know, so more make a decision biana, they won't depart from the superior court rule. It was said the superior court shall be superior court of record. It is a court, you know, was here, a circuit court. Ne district court mo dikesia omo ba hwehwe the decision of the high court no mo dia ruli sanso na high court nsu dia high court no hwehwe the decision of a court of appeal and a supreme court no dia ruli na court of appeal no ono any decision ono so ba hwehwe supreme court decision no dia ruli na supreme court there the decisions are binding on omo ankasa.